Welcome to section 8 of Basics of Human Face. Let's learn how to draw a female face. Now that we have learned the individual parts of the face, drawing this face won't be that difficult. So to begin with, we have broken down this into simple steps. Now let's start with the step number 1, drawing the outline of the face. So the first main thing which you need to get right is the outline of the face. To begin with, we are going to start with a circle. So if you don't get a circle right at first point, I'm going to draw it bit below. If you don't get the circle right, use a compass. As a beginner, I recommend to use compass. So here's the circle. What do we do next? This is the diameter of the circle. Draw parallelly the line, a line which is exactly the length of the diameter. What do we do here? We basically divide this line into few parts. First, 1/4 and 3/4. So mark a point which is 1/4 of this line and 3/4 of this line. Now the next thing we are gonna do is take this 3/4 part. If you have drawn a circle with a radius of 4 centimeter, if you have drawn a circle of a radius say 4 centimeter, the diameter would be 8 centimeter, and when you divide it into 1/4 and 3/4 part, it would be 2 plus 6 centimeter. So the bottom line will be somewhat like 6 centimeter. If it is 6 centimeter, all you're gonna do is divide the 6 centimeter into further half, that is 3 centimeter. Divide it. This 3 centimeter, say if your radius is 4 centimeter and you get this length as 3 centimeter, put a line of 3 centimeter here. What I'm trying to say is the line which you get here, the half of this length should be extended down here. Similarly, extend the choose this point. 1 second. This is the midpoint. Draw 2 points here. Draw parallel lines down. This will be helpful in the future. Now that we have done this, draw a line, mark it. Now all you're gonna do, your job, which is very simple, is join this line in a curved manner. Now you get this thing, take your eraser, erase off the extra lines. Erase the only lines which I am trying to erase here. So the central line should be not disturbed. Erase the other thing. The line should be clearly visible to you now. So what we are trying to do here is, as you can see, we still have these 3 points here. So this line is where your eyes are gonna fall and your nose is gonna fall until here, and this is where your chin is gonna end. So this will be the forehead, and this will be the nose part, and this will be the mouth and chin. So even the eyes fall here. I forgot to add So the next step which we are going to do is draw guidelines. Guidelines are easy. All you need to draw here is in this step is join these 3 points, join these 3 points. So we have these lines which serve as the guidelines, the central line and two horizontal lines. So let's move on to the next step, add details. We'll start with I. Draw a circle here, draw a circle here. There should be a bit space between two. It's not exactly a circle, it's oval. There should be a bit gap. And here put a nose. If you don't know how to put the nose, you can watch my channel. There is a separate video on how to draw the nose. And draw a chin. Above the chin, mark a line. This will serve as the lip. Draw a small U. If you are not familiar with how to draw the lip, the nose and eyes, you can watch my channel. Now that we have got this, we'll erase the guidelines. The horizontal guidelines are erased here. The next step which we are going to do is work on the eye. How do we do the upper margin, darker the upper margin. And draw eyebrow. How to draw eyebrow, there is a video you can watch in the channel. It's simple, draw a rectangle, then slant the line. So here we have got eyebrow. Draw both the eyes simultaneously if you want to get it right. So I'm gonna draw eye. This is the arch, the upper arch, the eyeball. Similarly, the arch. Draw it simultaneously when you are drawing the eyeball. And so as you can see, there is a bit difference. I'm gonna redo it here. This is not that required anymore. I'm gonna erase this. And now let's focus on the nose. Erase the central line. Now I'm gonna use a different color pencil for the lip. Just start with the red. And there you have the lip. Now erase the chin partly. The oval should be erased partly. There should be very light margin. Now let's focus on the other parts. We'll add more details. We'll add ears. As you can see, I have put the ears exactly on the blue line. So this is, yeah. We'll start with the hair. How to draw the hair? Simple. I'll be using a different color pencil to show how to draw the hair. Remember this point. This is point. Now choose draw a line above it and something like this. Join this point. Join this point. Add a C-shaped curve. So what I'm trying to do here is trying to pull the line outside away. So this is gonna look something like this. Before we proceed further to work on hairs, we should have drawn the neck first. Choose a point which is in line with the lip. Draw two parallel lines. Slender parallel line. So I'll do it in a black line, black marker instead. So we'll again work on how to draw hair. All I'm doing here is dragging the lines away. Erase this line. We no longer need that line. So this hair one should be a bit broad. I'll again extend this. Add finer details. And there's your face. So when we break it into simple steps, it will be easy for us to draw, or else it would be way too difficult. Now that we have learned it how to draw, we'll work on nail face in the next session. So please like, subscribe my channel.